welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to try to make chirohan. It's Taipei chicken rice. Taipei chicken rice. I'm trying to make it. So usually Taipei chicken rice are using chicken breast, but I don't have a chicken breast. So chicken wing I'm gonna use because I love this kind item with skin and meat. It's very tasty, but the inside bone, so try. So this part, tebanaka. So two bone. Try. Just open it like this. So you just cut between the two bones like this. This one, it's meat tenderizer, good too. Okay, and salt, maybe some ginger. Let's Ziploc. And long leaf side like this. Remove air inside, make vacuum kind like this. Hold tight. Like that. And using two zip. So bottom tight. Also remove air. Close tight. Okay, hot boiling water. Okay, making chiyu. This is long leaf flavored oil, negi oil, homemade. So you can use like salad oil, a little bit. hoa gel, Sichuan pepper. This one, good snack. Okay, finish. Put on everything and cut like this. Okay. Negi oil again a little bit. And this one is chicken wing chip and Sichuan pepper together. It's good oil. Together like this. And this is chicken juice. Chicken juice with jello, made from chicken wings, boiled together with seasoning and then long leek green, chopped long leek and garlic. Taipei chicken rice, chiroha. Let's start it. Chicken wing, chiroha. Taste. flavor.
ginger flavor come out. It's yummy. Taste. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.